Unraveling the Mystery. What does a catnap really mean? Hello, dear viewers, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss, which I believe is going to be very beneficial for all of you, especially those who are on their journey of learning English. We're going to unravel the mystery behind the phrase, a catnap. So, without further ado, let's dive into it. A catnap is a phrase that you might have come across in books, movies, or even in casual conversations. But what does it really mean? Essentially, a catnap refers to a short, light sleep or nap, typically lasting between 10 to 30 minutes. The word catnap derives its name from how cats often take brief and light naps throughout the day. This phrase can be used in various contexts. For instance, if you've been working for several hours straight and you decide to take a short break to rest your eyes and mind, you might say, "I'm going to take a catnap." It implies that you're not going to sleep for a long time, just enough to rejuvenate and get back to work with more energy. You can also use this phrase when talking about babies or small children. For example, if a baby sleeps for a short period during the day, you could say, "The baby is taking a catnap." Taking a catnap can be really beneficial, especially when you're feeling tired or sluggish. A short nap can help to boost your mood, increase alertness, and improve performance. However, it's important to keep the nap short, as sleeping for too long during the day can affect your nighttime sleep. And that brings us to the end of our video. I hope that this explanation has helped to clear up any confusion about what a catnap means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Remember, language is a beautiful thing, and understanding the nuances of phrases like these can really help in enhancing your communication skills. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Until next time, keep learning and keep smiling.